Now let's play around a bit with our scene. So we are going to delete all these things that Andre added for us, and we are going to try to add them ourselves so we can see exactly what each thing does. So we have the sphere reflection capture, skylight, light source, and atmospheric fog. So we are going to delete all of them. So let's delete the sphere reflection, skylight, sky sphere also, light source, and the atmospheric fog. So now that all that we get is basically this, and you can see all this darkness around. And we can see now unlit mode may actually be a bit more useful since we don't have any light in our scene. So you can see here in place actors, if you don't have it open, but you should have by default to have player actors open. Here you can see the things like basic lights, cinematics, visual effects, and all the other tabs. But what we need is lights. So if we click on lights, we can see all the possible lights that Unreal gives us. So we can take the directional light and just put it in our scene, as easy as that. So if we click G, we can see our basically actors in the scene, and now we can pull it up. And let's go to lit mode. Now you can see that now it says lighting needs to be rebuilt. The reason for this is because we have the light set on stationary. Stationary static will ask for our light to be rebuilt. That basically means that if you go here, we can see that there is build lighting only. That's basically to build static shadows for light maps and light probes and that sort of things. But for now, we don't need that, so we're just going to set it to movable. And now these settings disappear. And next thing that we're going to do is maybe decrease the intensity. So right now it looks really, really bright. So maybe put it to, let's say, 4. This looks way more natural. You can see all the other light properties, but for now we won't touch them. Next thing, let's try to rotate our objects. And as you can see, I disabled the snapping. So we have these three types of snapping for rotate, scale, and move. And now if I disable it, I can just smoothly rotate it. And if the snapping wasn't disabled, it would be snappy and it would be a bit harder to place exactly how you want it. So I usually disable it right there. And you can see this lighting now looks really nice, and it was really easy to set up. Just drag and drop into the scene.